Welcome Inner Universe community. Now you know how important meditation is because you keep absorbing lot of unwanted energy from outside, and to keep yourself calm, peaceful, satisfied, joyful, you need to take a break, sit in silence and meditate, or you can make any work your meditative experience. Also, however, not everybody finds it really easy to sit and meditate, and so the use of meditation beads or meditation mala for meditation. I am Sanchita Pandey, and our topic for today is meditation beads. For what? Meditation, of course. So, what are these meditation beads? These are mala or small necklaces, generally having 108 beads, which are very small in size, and then there is a guru bead in between, which helps you to set intention. Now, why are you sitting? What for are you sitting? What is your intention for today? I want peace, or I want to forgive someone. Whatever your intention may be for that day, you set an intention using your guru bead, which is connected with a tassel, and this tassel shows that okay, as you are meditating using those small beads, you have completed one circle of chanting your mantra. Now these meditation beads can be of different colors, yellow, blue, depending on what they are composed of, made up of, and the colors portray different vibrations. And how do you choose your meditation bead? There is no hard and fast rule of choosing a meditation bead. You just choose it according to how you feel when you look at a meditation bead. Do you feel good looking at a meditation bead, looking at a specific color? That is how you choose your meditation bead. Is it really necessary to sit with meditation beads for meditation? No, it is not necessary. However, meditation beads do help us to count the number of chants and to focus. Now you can focus on your breath also, or anything, any subtle sound that you may be hearing from somewhere. Just close your eyes and meditate on any sound. But the thing is, not everybody finds it easy to meditate, and so as you hold on to the meditation bead in between your middle finger, the index finger and thumb, and then in between the beads also there are knots, so they help you to slow down and speak out your intention or chant your mantra slowly. So now what is happening is you are going within, you are coming into that silent zone, and without any distractions, because you are meditating using the meditation beads. So they become a source to keep you hinged to your chanting, to your meditation. So that is how they are useful in a way. As far as meditating is concerned, you can chant a specific mantra, and it is not necessary to chant any difficult mantra. You can make your own mantra also, as simple as I am peace, I am love, I am whole. What happens is, as you are repeating something, it is becoming a part of your subconscious mind. I am healthy. Now you are reiterating this to your subconscious mind, and every day when you meditate for at least 15 minutes, you are visualizing your wellness. You are setting an intention for your wellness or anything, any desire that you may have. So that is how repetition helps you to know what exactly you desire and also make it a part of your subconscious mind. Then you are also saved from any kind of distractions, and you can concentrate, just like you can concentrate on your inhalation and exhalation also of your breath. Now as you connect with your breath, and as you connect with mantras and chanting and positive affirmations, what happens is some kind of peaceful energy starts flowing in your body, and now it is like you are losing out on emotions of stress, and becoming more and more peaceful. And as you become peaceful, this is so beautiful. Such an emotion is so beautiful for your immune system. So gradually you will see how it is having a positive impact on your immune system, on your general well-being. You are more joyful. The problem with empaths is that they are kind to themselves and to everybody else outside, and they attract a lot of unhealed people towards themselves. Now initially you will be praised for your high vibrations, energy. Oh, it is so beautiful to see you, you are always smiling and happy. But gradually the thing is, most people are attached with their pain body. All of a sudden they will realize, how is it you are happy all the time? It is not possible, because everything is not perfect around this in your life or in this world. So this cannot be true. And then most of the people, they feel some kind of laziness. They are introduced to the laziness within, and it scares the devil when they see somebody always enthusiastic, always smiling, happy, knowing his or her purpose in life. It scares most people, and then they start implicating you, or they will intimidate you in different ways and say, look, you are not always peaceful, look, you are also angry. So that is how they start behaving. Now when you have different levels of energy around you, what happens is you have to recharge somewhere, because as an empath you come across different vibrations throughout the day. And so to recharge yourself, it is a good idea to sit and meditate. For making your own manifestations come true, visualization, imagination is necessary. For that also it is beautiful idea to sit and meditate, make your positive self-affirmations, visualizations and prayer. So with the meditation beat, it is like you are sitting with somebody. It gives you a sort of discipline in meditation. You remain focused throughout your chanting. You can chant Om, you can chant a mantra, or as I said, you can have your own positive affirmations like I am peace, I am love, I am whole. Anything simple, you are just repeating, and these self-affirmations are becoming a part of your subconscious mind and helping you. In the long run, they will help you in your well-being. So get your meditation beat and get set for meditation. It is not necessary that you sit at a place only for meditating. You can make any beautiful thing you do, any creative work you do into meditation. However, if you find it difficult to concentrate during meditation and you have all these kinds of thoughts coming in, then it is a very good idea to have a meditation bead and sit at one place peacefully and make your intention and start chanting or meditating using your meditation bead. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. Protect your energy, because the language of the universe is energy. This is the true currency of the universe. We'll meet again in our next video. Till then, thank you. Stay smiling, stay safe. Goodbye. Namaste.